Hello friends, welcome back to our channel. If you haven't subscribed to our channel yet, please click the subscribe button and the bell icon for more videos. Today, we are presenting some ideas on hand forging rebar. Hand forging rebar has become a popular trend in the realm of craftsmanship and DIY projects. This versatile material, typically used for reinforcement in concrete structures, can be transformed into stunning and unique creations with a touch of creativity and skill. Whether you are an experienced blacksmith or a hobbyist looking for a new challenge, here are some inspiring ideas for hand-forged rebar crafts. One of the most common applications for hand-forged rebar is in furniture design. Its strength and durability makes it an excellent choice for creating sturdy and industrial-style tables, chairs, and benches. The raw and rustic appearance of rebar adds a unique charm to these pieces, making them a standout feature in any interior or outdoor space. Another exciting avenue for rebar crafts is in sculpture and art. With its malleable nature, rebar can be shaped into intricate and captivating sculptures. From abstract forms to lifelike figures, the possibilities are endless. These sculptures can be displayed in gardens, art galleries, or even as eye-catching centerpieces in home decor. For those with green thumb, rebar plant holders and trellises provide an excellent opportunity to combine functionality with aesthetics. Rebar can be twisted and bent to form intricate plant stands, allowing to display your favorite flowers or succulents in a unique way. Additionally, rebar trellises offer sturdy support for climbing plants, adding a touch of elegance to your garden or patio. In the realm of lighting, rebar presents exciting possibilities. Handcrafted rebar chandeliers or pendant lights can become the focal point of any room, casting intriguing shadows and creating a captivating ambiance. Combined with materials such as glass or wood, rebar light fixtures add an industrial yet artistic touch to any space. Lastly, rebar can be transformed into practical items such as coat racks, shelves, or wine racks. These functional pieces not only provide storage solutions, but also serve as striking design elements in a room. The juxtaposition of the raw rebar with other materials create an interesting contrast, making these pieces truly unique. Hand-forged rebar crafts offer a world of creative possibilities. From furniture and sculptures to plant holders and lighting fixtures, this versatile material can be transformed into stunning and functional pieces. So, unleash your imagination, grab your hammer and anvil, and explore the endless potential of hand-forged rebar crafts. I hope you were inspired to watch these ideas till the end. Which one of these ideas was your favorite? I'd love to hear from you in the comments. If you would like to keep up to date with my latest videos about DIY projects, woodworking, metalworking, furniture ideas and more, you can subscribe us and click the bell icon for notification when we upload a new video to the channel.